What's up, team? It's Dave Miller, your head coach at PSYFI. And today we're on day number 7 out of the top 8 productivity tools and tactics that I teach my clients. And this number 7 is get rid of distractions. Get rid of distractions. Now, distractions come in a lot of different ways. I'm going to name the 2 biggest ones that I see with my clients. 1, distraction of having a messy workspace. Oh my God, it is by far one of the worst things you can do. I don't care if one of the people say, oh, it doesn't distract me. You're lying to yourself, flat out. Your brain is taking in all this information and it simply cannot take it in. It simply cannot filter it or you know what's good and what's bad, what's a priority and what's not when your desk is a mess. So the first thing you can do to get rid of distractions, clean your workspace. The second biggest thing, turn off all notifications on your phone, period. I have 0 notifications on my phone, 0. The only ones I have that come up, I have the little the bubbles that tell me when I have new emails or new text messages so I can make sure I check them on a daily basis. Other than that, no notifications. Why? Every time a notification pops up for God knows what, news, social media, all the garbage that you have coming up, it's distracting you, it's paper cutting your attention, and there's no way you can be productive if you have all these distractions in your life. So if you want your productivity to go up, take your social media, notifications, all those things, and take them down and clean up your workspace.